Manitoba turkey producers tonight here on Great Tastes of Manitoba, and Chef Jason Wartzman, who always has something amazing cooking up for us. And we've already gotten started on this one, which is the Italian grilled turkey sandwich. So Chef, we have already made, we've used the product we're using tonight. Tell us a little bit about the product again. Very cool.
So it's a marinated turkey breast, and it's just lightly infused with turkey broth and sea salt and cracked black pepper. So it's nice neutral flavors. You can do just about anything with it.
And they're a good size, so you cook a few of them up, and you can eat off it for quite a while. Yeah.
I'm just going to give this a little stir here.
Okay, so we've already gotten started on our peak of the market onions, and we've got some peppers here as well.
So this is the filling for the sandwich here. So I've been just sauteing some red onion and a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to add some roasted red peppers that are sliced up here, and some artichoke hearts.
Yeah, this is a cool ingredient. So what do you like about the artichoke hearts in the sandwich?
Well, it adds a really nice flavor. It's a little bit tart. It's acidic as well. A little bit unique. And you can use canned ones. I like the canned ones in water because they're also very neutral. And then once you saute them, they get some nice color on them as well. Yeah. As
you can see. Yeah. And it just adds like that extra layer of.
Yeah.
Smells amazing.
Yeah. And that's
and that's basically it?
Yep.
Okay, so that's the filling. So let's move on to the, the rest of the sandwich here.
Yeah,
so you've already, you're way ahead of the game. You got some bread buttered.
Yeah, I got some bread buttered here, and I got a nice hot griddle here that I'm going to put these guys on.
Which, I guess you don't have to have a griddle. It might just take you a little bit longer to do multiple sandwiches. But if it's just you can do it up in the frying pan.
I've already got one going here, so I'm just going to give that one a nice flip here. Yeah. And so I buttered this already. I'm going to just put some mustard on here.
Okay.
Yeah, so nice and generous with some good grainy mustard.
So it's like a really grainy mustard.
Yeah.
You can use any kind of mustard you want, I guess, on there.
Yeah, and you can always substitute different ingredients for the filling as well. You can put spinach in there or just whatever you happen to have on hand.
Looks and smells pretty perfect to me. But
Yeah, so I took some of this turkey and I roasted it for just about 40 minutes in the oven, the turkey breast, and you can also use, I guess, leftover turkey if you have some.
I was going to say, and how long does turkey actually? How long does it keep?
About 4 days. 3 to 4 days in the fridge. You can also freeze leftovers and use them later if you have a lot there.
Sure.
Yeah. So I've just put some turkey in there as well, and then I've got some nice Italian provolone here. So I'm going to put a couple of these on each one here.
I'll ask you the same question that I asked about the artichokes. Why provolone? What's with the...
Well, it's a nice melting cheese, a little bit more flavor than mozzarella, and it comes already sliced, which is very handy as well.
In circles.
Yeah. So as you can see here, you've got a nice full sandwich here. Lots of good stuff there. And then I've got another buttered piece here, and I think most people out there will know how to do a grilled cheese sandwich.
I was going to say, did you butter the other side, the part that goes inside?
No, that's not necessary.
Oh, okay. Well.
Yeah, you got that. You could put mustard on both sides if you wanted to.
Okay, could do that.
Yeah. And
there it is.
Yeah, here it is. So we'll give her a little slice here, and.
Okay, and that's that. So again, our theme is like a turkey for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So this is lunch, but I'm thinking you can eat this anytime you like. I'm thinking 3 o'clock in the morning. That would be a good time to try that out.
Yeah.
And so again, this is a brand new product, Granny's turkey product. And so you guys have a website as well where you have information not only about the products themselves but also where you can get the products.
Absolutely.
Tell us a little bit about the website.
Yeah. So this is available in many local stores across Manitoba, and we do have a spot on our website at foodManitoba.ca where you can find these products there.
Okay, fantastic. So, what we would love to do is, hear from you if you want to try out any of the recipes that we're making tonight, including this incredible sandwich. Take some pictures, try it with the provolone, try it with the artichokes, tell us what you think. And, you can always send us the pictures. We love photos. So Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And of course, all of the recipes are available at greattastesmb.ca. So there we go, lunch, check mark. We're moving on to dinner now, turkey pot pie. This is a home run. Don't go anywhere here on Great Tastes of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by greattastesmb.ca. Local farms, local foods.